Now so you can open your new toothbrush gadget.
Yeah.
Kari is going to, it's a smart toothbrush. It comes with the directions and this little box.
What do it have?
Then it has the little face. Bam. And this part is all on it. That's the, I think that's the stand. And then it comes with the charger cord. And it comes with the different toothbrush holders that you will put in your mouth to be able to work the toothbrush. It has 4. So 4 comes with it.
And then you put the battery.
Okay. Calm down.
Can I show you where the battery goes?
How you know where the battery goes?
It goes right here.
Girl, that is not where the battery goes. That is where this plug here goes to charge it up. You always think you know so much.
You charge your phone.
Yeah, you gotta charge this up too, so it'll work. You have to charge it up.
And it can't light up.
It's gonna do all of that when you
Charge it?
Yeah, we will be right back. Okay, we're back. I didn't know if it slid on because I didn't want to break it, but it's when you put it through the hole, you just slide it all the way down.
Can I see it?
Okay, there you are. Okay, let me finish. Okay. Woo, people. Woo, she's something to deal with.
Yeah, to make it.
Okay, so now
because it looks like this, and this is a piggy too.
Yep, and what color do you have?
Pink. Yep.
Pink for girls.
Did you know I like blue?
Okay, well, blue is for boys.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get that straight. We're not gonna get it for boys.
Because I am a girl.
Exactly.
But blue is my favorite color.
Blue is not your favorite color. You keep on. Pink is your favorite color. Purple. And you said red. You need to get it together. Okay, let me get the scissors so we can open this plastic up so we can see what we're working with. Smart toothbrush does all the work for the child with different speed levels. It's awesome for the little kids. Make sure they're brushing their teeth good. Keeps the cavities away as long as they brush. Put the toothpaste. The toothpaste is on. Alright. Now you're going to cut it on. Alright. Now you just put it in your toothbrush. Toothpaste. Put it in your mouth and let it do all the work for you. That is so awesome. Did you show your great grandma?
Yeah, grandma.
That do it for you. You don't have to do nothing.
That do all the work.
That's super cool. Now you ain't got to brush. Now if your mama just do it. That's yours, girl. To your mama house.
She already did. Her mama do it. That's where she get it from.
Girl,
that's why it's over
Kari,
her mama house.
Kari, you so smart.
Okay, now it cuts off. Okay, it cut off when it's done. Okay. All right.
Done.
done. Now you rinse it out. It lets you know. All right. And then you cut it off.
It can turn off. Okay, so.
All kind of speeds. You have it on different speeds, so. Boom, boom, boom. And you hold it to turn it off. Please like and share. And the Amazon link is in the description. Kids will love this toothbrush. It is fun to use and it will get the job done.